All right.
He's just gonna ask questions and stuff, man. It's an interview, not a picture.
Yeah, it's simple.
You don't have to hold a still face. Okay?
It's like a conversation. Like, what do you
Alright,
like about football and stuff? So,
All right. So you start by saying your name and
Okay.
your parent, and then what school it is, and then say Austin, Texas. At the
Say
after.
Austin or Round Rock.
Round
Doesn't
Rock.
matter. Sure.
You're right. You're right.
All right.
My bad.
No, you're good. Tell me when to start.
All right. Go for it.
Hi, my name is Roy Villanueva. This is my son Adrian. We're from Round Rock, Texas, representing Double File Elementary.
Perfect. All right.
all right, and I guess we'll start with you. So, what do you love about football so far?
Well, I love that you can type, so it's making me type faster. I love really coding on it and just having the fun with my friends and my team.
Yeah. So, what's your favorite challenge so far?
Probably number 7 bulldozer.
Can you explain that?
Well, you have to knock down 3 cans and you have to keep them in the black line. And so when we did it, we kind of just like went forward and turned a lot and spun around, and we knocked down 9 cans.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Thank you.
So, So you would say that programming is your favorite part about learning it?
Coding.
Do you see that as something that you might do in your future as a career or something?
Yes.
Nice. Do you have any questions? All right. So, what's your favorite part about seeing like your kid do this programming?
I think there's a lot more jobs that involve coding and programming. You know, I do some of it at work, so I might actually
Oh,
ask
yeah.
him for some stuff because I'm learning programming. It's something I never went to school or anything,
Yeah.
so it's definitely something that we can talk about and kind of relate, and I kind of show him my stuff at work. So I'm
That's
definitely
awesome.
excited. My daughter does it too, so it's cool.
Do you see like computer science as becoming something big?
Yes, yeah, for sure. I mean, I think everything's going towards, I guess, that
Yeah.
that technology. I guess I really don't even know how to say it, but it's definitely cool.
Have you noticed like an improvement in things like math or other areas of education?
Yeah, I guess so. He definitely more stuff on the computer for
Oh,
sure. Yeah, I kind of ask them for questions sometimes because I don't understand what they're doing, but I do see some improvements. Definitely on his typing, he can do some of his school projects by himself now. Typing, he doesn't ask for help anymore. So, but yeah, I definitely see improvement.
Good.